Orizon is one of the largest waste management company in South America, largest one in Brazil. Brazil produces around 80 million tons of waste per year. Our eco-parks receive 10 million tons of waste.
Methane is produced by the decomposition of waste in an anaerobic or without oxygen environment. Methane is very important for climate change nowadays because it has a much higher global warming potential than CO2. In fact, it is considered a short-lived gas. It stays shorter in the atmosphere in terms of the life cycle of the gas. And also, it is considered a super pollutant because of this global warming potential it has.
Okay, Paolo, I think it's time to talk some trash. We're here at an Orizon Eco Park. Hundreds of trucks will be bringing waste in from the surrounding area, putting it in here. I'm imagining this entire cell filled with organic matter and other waste.
Yeah.
And slowly over time, it starts to decompose and it forms methane molecules, a super pollutant. Walk me through, what happens to the methane molecule? It forms and then where does it go?
It's an amazing journey actually for this molecule. It enters one of these drainage systems. As you can see, there are a pipeline inside the rocks that we are seeing here. And then the molecule is extracted.
Like sucked up like with a vacuum.
That's correct. This is exactly what differentiates a landfill from an open dump site. In an open dump site, you do have this type of drainage systems. It's just the waste over the soil and also the methane being released to the atmosphere.
So if I'm a little molecule of methane, usually I would float up into the sky and live in the atmosphere, but you cover the waste and all of the methane that will be generated here, you'll pull through those pipes over that hill and you'll either turn into renewable energy or biomethane, or flare it so it doesn't enter the atmosphere.
That's correct. Just last year, we captured around 200,000 tons of methane, which is huge when translated to CO2. That means around 5 million tons of CO2 captured. As soon as this molecule enters our facilities, we can track the flow, the efficiency of the extraction, the energy that is being produced, and also the renewable fuel that it is being produced minute after minute. So if you ask me, Paolo, what happened with this molecule that my slice of pizza produced yesterday, I can show it to you very, very easily.
At the beginning, nobody in Brazil understood. Everybody was asking us, well, you're crazy, you're gonna make energy from waste, what are you doing?
But Brazil has the opportunity to do it. It has the willingness, the technology, and the people to do it. The fact that a company like Google is showing the importance of these super pollutants to the world is amazing. It just helps in terms of what we do and other companies in the waste sector do worldwide.